In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the fastest selling items on eBay. If you want a simple way to see what products are actually moving quickly, eBay gives you a built-in method that can help you spot demand based on real sold listings. This is especially useful if you're doing product research, resale sourcing, or just trying to understand what buyers are actively purchasing right now. To get started, go to eBay's homepage. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the page and click on Advanced. This takes you beyond the basic search bar and opens up more detailed search options, which is exactly what you need if you want better results and a clearer picture of market activity. On the advanced search page, enter as much information as you can about the type of item you want to research. The more specific you are here, the better your results will be. For example, instead of searching something broad like shoes, you'll get more useful data if you search for a brand, model, size, color, or product type. Being detailed helps filter out unrelated listings and makes it easier to identify what is truly selling fast within that niche. Next, find the section labeled Search Including. In that area, click both completed items and sold items. This is the key part of the process. Completed items show listings that have ended, while sold items show which of those listings actually resulted in a sale. By using these filters together, you're not just seeing what sellers listed, you're seeing what buyers were willing to purchase. That gives you a much more accurate view of real demand. After that, click Search. Now, you'll be looking at results based on sold and completed listings, which can help you identify fast-selling products more effectively. As you review the listings, pay attention to items that appear often and have consistent sales. You can also compare titles, pricing, and product details to notice patterns in what buyers prefer. If similar items are repeatedly showing up as sold, that's usually a strong sign that the market is active for that product. A helpful tip is to keep refining your search terms if the results are too broad. Small changes in wording can make a big difference in the quality of the data you get back. The goal is to narrow in on a product category until the sold listings give you a clear picture of what is selling quickly. That's how to use eBay's advanced search to find the fastest selling items in a simple, practical way.